After the bell, so the Sensex and the Nifty today closed flat in trade today after witnessing significant volatility. So Nifty closed 19 points in the green, while Sensex was up 60 points by the end of the day. For the week, the indices were up more than 3%. Midcaps today closed in the red, and small caps were up by 0.5%. Anuj Singhal is standing by to take us through the day's action. Anuj, clearly we can't say thank God it's Friday.
Yeah, the problem for the market is that this 7200 is acting as a big resistance mark. It was a good week, make no mistake about that. And the market did have gains even today. And from the low point, the market had a gap down. And from the low point, the market did recover. But somehow it's not been able to deliver the killing punch in terms of, going above 7200, 7250 and closing above that. So that zone still remains a bit of a problem for the market. In terms of individual stocks, it was a mixed kind of day today. If you look at the profile of stocks that rallied, right on top were the weak stocks or the weak banks. Some of them will come up for you. And if you see the stocks, Punjab National Bank, SBI, ICICI Bank, these were the stocks where we saw big rallies. Punjab National Bank, in fact, was up about 5%. Some more nifty gainers in trade today then included stocks like Hero MotoCorp, Bosch and Tata Motors as well, which were higher in trade. On the losing side then, some of the stocks where we saw lost ground, stocks like BPCL, which was down 3%, Maruti was down 2%, and HDFC was down about 1%. Outside the index, there were a lot of volatile stocks today. Stocks like ABG Shipyard, which recovered about 10% intraday, more than that. Team Lease, which at one point was down about 18 to 19% intraday, that recovered, almost a V-shaped kind of recovery for that stock. And Quick Heal as well, the recent listing, that also had a volatile session. Apart from that, a lot of mid-cap gainers today. Fortis Healthcare, 12% higher. SRL is the talking point here, so that stock was higher. Titagar Wagons ahead of rail budget. You normally see railway stocks active. And Google Das Exports was stock of the week, up 50% this week. And some more mid-cap gainers then included, or losers rather, included stocks like Unitech, Emphasis, and MEP Infra. So it was a good week, but let's see if the markets can take out that 7200, 7250 zone, because post that, a lot of traders tell me that upside could be another 100, 150 points.
All right, Anuj, thanks for joining in with that. But moving on to